When man fell from grace, he lost a kingdom, not a religion. He lost dominion over the earth, he did not lose heaven. Therefore, mankind's search is not for a religion or for heaven but for his kingdom. Death can never kill an idea. Ideas are more powerful than death. Ideas outlive men and can never be destroyed. The value of life is not in its duration, but in its donation. You are not important because of how long you live, you are important because of how effective you live. True leaders don't invest in buildings. Jesus never built a building. They invest in people. Why? Because success without a successor is failure. So your legacy should not be in buildings, programs, or projects, your legacy must be in people. I think that the greatest gift God ever gave man is not the gift of sight but the gift of vision. Sight is a function of the eyes, but vision is a function of the heart. The greatness of a man is measured by the way he treats the little man. Compassion for the weak is a sign of greatness. You weren't born just to live a life and to die, you were born to accomplish something specifically. Matter of fact, success is making it to the end of your purpose, that is success. Success is not just existing. Success is making it to the end of why you were born. Young people all over the world are very frustrated. They are very disillusioned. Many of them are turning their backs on religion. They are walking away from the faith of their parents, and most of this is because religion has failed them. So what do you desire to do? What do you really want to do as a person? You need to stop and document that. Write it down, make a plan, and then God says, I'll direct your steps. Every human heart cries and yearns for the same thing, a chance to fulfill his or her own dreams and desires. Even the poorest man has a dream. Whenever they sang a certain song in church, I used to sing it the loudest, lead me, guide me, along the way. One day, as I was singing this song, I felt as if the Lord was saying to me, lead you along what way? I realized then that if you don't have a plan, God doesn't have anything specific to direct you in. It is my belief that no matter how advanced man may become in science, technology, systems, and knowledge, he can never improve on the foundational precepts of marriage as the bedrock of social development. Don't die old, die empty. That's the goal of life. Go to the cemetery and disappoint the graveyard. Our life is the sum total of all the decisions we make every day, and those decisions are determined by our priorities. When you believe in your dream and your vision, then it begins to attract its own resources. No one was born to be a failure. Don't ask for $1 million. Ask for the stuff that'll get you $1 million, your health, your brain, your sanity, wisdom. Prepare me for when I do get that million. Make sure I don't go crazy, make sure I help my family. The kingdom is the love of God prevailing in politics, in business, in government, in media. It is all the impact of the laws of God creating a social environment where the strong help the weak, where those who have given to those who don't. It's a society where relationships are built on love.